up again, trying to tell myself that there's nothing more. Truth be told, it's getting old. Been doing this every night since you've been gone. I lost my heart to you, nothing left to lose. Tell me what I'm supposed to do, 'cause one more drink ain't enough. Trying to drown out the memories of us in bottles of whiskey, too much wine, 'cause I can't get you off of my mind. Oh, 'cause nobody does me like you.
Coffee cup, sober up. I can shake the night before, but I can't shake you. No, I tell myself it doesn't help, so put it back up on the shelf, just as I pour in myself. One more drink ain't enough. Trying to drown out the memories of us in bottles of whiskey, too much wine, 'cause I can't get you off of my mind. Oh, 'cause nobody does me like you and me, and not where we're supposed to be, 'cause I need you right here next to me, and I know your heart don't belong here no more.
One more drink
One more drink
ain't enough.
ain't enough.
Trying to drown out the memories of us in bottles of whiskey, so much wine, 'cause I think about you all the time. Oh, 'cause nobody does me like nobody does me like nobody does me like you.
This dance is called One More Drink, choreographed by Kim Ray. It's a 24 counts, 2-wall, easy intermediate level waltz. There are 2 restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, diamond 1/8 to your left. Left foot cross, 1/8 left, side, back, facing, 10-30, right foot, back, side, forward, step left foot forward, gently kick right foot forward twice. Kick, kick, right foot back, drag your left, touch. Angle body facing 130. Section 2, waltz, basic, half turn to your left. Left foot forward facing 12, half turn left, step to the right together facing 6, right foot, coaster step, step left foot forward, make a spiral full turn right over 2 counts, right foot forward, left foot, side rock, recover. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the dance, there are 2 restarts. On waltz 6, you will dance 18 counts, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you waltz 6 with counts starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the end of 18 counts. Now restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. On wall 11th, you will dance 12 counts, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 11th with count starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the end of 12 counts. Now restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.